Hey guys, welcome to my video. For today's tutorial, I will be teaching you how to make the staggered squares stitch. To begin, all you're going to need is some yarn and a crochet hook. For this tutorial, you will need to know how to make chains, how to make the single crochet stitch, and the double crochet stitch. I have videos on all those and I will have them listed down below. I have already made this little test swatch here using two different colors, so it's going to be easy to see how the stitch is going to be made. I will have the yarn that I'm using and the hook that I'm using listed down below. For the body of my test swatch, I have already made the staggered squares stitch. This is what it will look like. If you're starting from the very beginning making chains, you're going to make chains in the multiple of 8 plus 5. You're then going to be making 2 rows that you will alternate between for this stitch. I will show you how to make that first row on the row that I am currently working. I have already made 3 chains on my hook. You're going to skip over your first stitch completely. You're going to work a double crochet into the next one. Then work 1 double crochet into the next stitch. So if you were working into chains, you're going to work your first double crochet into the 4th chain from your hook, then 1 double crochet into the next chain. Make 2 chains. If you're working into chains, you're going to skip 2 chains. Work your single crochet into this open space right here. You can see there's 3 double crochet and then some chains made from my previous row. You're going to make your single crochet into that space. If you're working into chains, you would simply make these 2 chains, skip 2 chains, and then work the single into the next chain. Chain 2, skip 2 if you're working into chains. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. You can see that this row is starting to look like the first row that I made down here. Chain 2, skip 2 if you're working into chains. Skip over these 3 double crochet right here. Work a single crochet into this open space made from some previous chains. If you're working into chains, you would chain 2, skip 2, work a single into the next chain. Chain 2, skip 2 if you're working into chains. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. That's how this row is looking so far. Make 2 chains. Skip 2 chains if you're working into your chains. Make a single crochet into this previous little space right here made from some chains. If you're working into chains, you would just chain 2, skip 2, work a single into the next chain. Chain 2, skip 2 if you're working into chains. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. 1 double crochet into the next stitch or chain. Then 1 double crochet into the last stitch or chain. And you can see this double crochet I'm making is worked into some previous chains that I had made my last row. These chains did count as 1 double crochet, so you can see we now have 3, 3, 3. That's how that row is looking. For your next row, make 3 chains on your hook and then turn your work. These 3 chains you made are going to count as 1 double crochet. So like in the last row, we are going to skip over this first stitch completely, make 1 double crochet into the next stitch or the second stitch, and make 1 double crochet into the next stitch or the third stitch. You're then going to skip over these chain 2 from the last row. You're going to make 1 double crochet into this previous single crochet. You're then going to make 2 chains. You're going to work 3 double crochet around this double crochet you just made. So 1, 2, and 3. You're then going to skip over this chain 2 from the previous row completely. Work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, which you can see now completely lines up with all of these 3 double crochet we made in a row. You're going to skip over these chain 2 completely. You're going to work 1 double crochet into this previous single crochet, make 2 chains, then work 3 double crochet around the post of this previous double crochet just made. So 1, 2, and 3. Skip over these chains completely, work 3 double crochet into the next stitches. So 1, 2, and 3. That's how that is looking so far. Skip over these 2 chains completely, work 1 double crochet into this previous single, make 2 chains, work 3 double crochet around this double crochet just made. So 1, 2, and 3. Skip over these chains completely, work 1 double crochet into the next stitch, 1 double crochet into the next stitch, and then 1 double crochet into the top of these previous chains because they count as 1 double crochet. And that's how that row is looking. So like I said earlier, you will alternate between these 2 rows for however long you want your project. And that is going to be how to make these staggered squares stitch. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe for more from me. You can follow me on all social media at crochetmelovely, all one word. Please leave me any feedback down below for future videos and tutorials that you would like to see. Thank you guys so much for being here, and have a great day.